you are feeling that post-holiday hangover and don't know what to do next, this video is for you. Today we're going to use our journals to work through those feelings together. In my November 24th video, I talked about holiday stress and overwhelm. So think of this as like the sequel. 5 journaling prompts for post-holiday disappointment and uncertainty and weirdness. Yeah, this is a really strange feeling, especially going into the new year when expectations are here and motivation is here. And it happens to me every year around this time. I spend so much time gearing up for the holidays, you know, like the gifts and the travel and the vegan cheeses. At the end of the year just kind of creeps up like an elf on a shelf. But it never works out the way you thought it would in your head. So now you're just left here with your mistletoe in your hand, trying to figure out those next steps. Because at the end of the year, it's not just about how the holiday went, but how the entire year went. I've been very kind of anti-planning in my videos lately because if I don't know what my next steps are, how am I supposed to help other people find their next steps? But I do know that if I do just a little bit of something positive and productive every day and I share it with you guys, then I will get to where I want to go, wherever that may be. And the more that we can move forward, the more that we can start to get away from those post-holiday yucky feelings. But you don't want to hear all that. Today I have 5 journaling prompts that are going to help us work through some of those post-holiday feelings and maybe give us some things to think about so that we can make steps and start to move forward toward the end of 2024, beginning of 2025. So go ahead and get your notebook, get your favorite pen, and we're going to go through these journaling prompts together. I'm going to give you the prompts one by one, of course, and feel free to pause the video in between prompts and give yourself maybe 5 minutes to complete each prompt, and then we'll move on to the next one. First prompt is, even if things didn't go as planned for the holidays, is there anything that you may have gained from this disappointment? Maybe new insights, maybe new opportunities, maybe you learned something. Sometimes you don't learn something. Sometimes things just happen and it's not meant to be a learning experience. It's just something that happened. So that's possible too. Prompt number 2 is, how did the holidays fall short of your expectations? And what does this tell you about your expectations for next year? What I'm asking you is, are you being too hard on yourself? Or are you expecting too much? Now, going forward into the new year, make a list of some of the things that you already know and that you are already 100% hell yes about. What skills or experiences do you already have that you know that you want to use going forward? Also, what paths do you definitely not want to follow? What is an absolute hell no? Number 4 is, what is the smallest possible step that you can take today to get yourself past this post-holiday funk? What is something that would make you feel even 1% better? And number 5 is, what do you want? I want you to envision it. I want you to feel it. I want you to smell it. Don't be afraid to dream it and feel it and write it down, even if it sounds impossible, even if it sounds like something that is really far away. What do you want? So yeah, I just wanted to bring you this video. This is a friendly reminder that it is completely normal and natural to feel a little disappointed, a little, a little regretful maybe, a little bit uncertain after the holidays. Just keep journaling, keep thinking about what it is that you want. Keep moving forward, even if it's just something little. As long as it's positive and productive, you will get to where you need to go. Yeah, I hope that you don't just watch the video. I hope that you try at least 1 or 2 of these journaling prompts this weekend. And I hope you will join me this coming Sunday for my weekly spread video. It's been a pleasure. I hope this video was helpful. And if you'd like to see any other journaling prompts, check out my other videos. I will leave links down in the description box below. I would love to hear your next steps that you are going to take this week in the comments below. Thank you so much. Have a great week. Goodbye.